What is up, guys? Back with another video. I'm heading into the airport, about to hop on an airplane. We got to see if we can fit this big diesel in the parking garage. Alexa, what's the price of Bitcoin?
Bitcoin is worth 120,000 US dollars, up less than 1% over the last 24 hours.
All right, guys, we found a parking spot. We got a Corvette next to an R8. Guys, made it through security, heading to the gate. All right, I've landed, got my bag. Now I gotta go find a rental car. Appreciate it, see ya.
All right, take care.
You too. What do you got me in, a Lamborghini 911? The SR, JDM. Yeah, I'll take it.
Or, I mean, if you want,
What,
the
what
Miata.
The Miata. I'll take.
Smaller.
They're fun to drive, I heard, but. Oh, watch that puddle, dude. You're gonna get all. Oh no, there's no way. There's no way. I gotta take the Nissan. All right, guys, we're back on the streets in a Nissan Altima. It's 10:48 p.m. and I don't know where I'm going or where I am. This thing feels pretty quick. Oh, it's got little shifter paddles. Maybe we should go to Chicago.
In a quarter mile, use the right lane to take the I-94 west.
Chicago, here we come. It's like, I'm not going to Chicago. Oh, shout out to the guy who left the
Use the right
comment.
lane to take the I-94 west ramp.
Sorry, got the GPS talking. Shout out to the guy who left the comment saying that he was a mechanic and he lived in Chicago and he was a ZF mechanic. I never
Continue
talked
for half a mile.
I never talked about it on the channel, but when I was a mechanic, I was certified in all the Allison transmissions, and I had to go to all the different. I used to have to go to all the different schools to get certified. Well, one time, towards the end of the time I worked at the shop I worked at, they became a truck center, like a Freightliner truck center. So we had to get certified, and they were doing all kinds of stuff on coach buses and all kinds of stuff.
In a quarter mile.
But they wanted to pick one of us to send to ZF school. So they sent me and this guy named Denver, who was the head Allison guy at a flagship shop of our shops. So they sent us there. We met their like engineers and everything. And the transmission that I got certified in, it was called I used to call it the AS-tronic. I don't know if it was AS-tronic, but it was AS-tronic. And I left the comment to the guy who said he worked at ZF. I used to change on the bottom there was an actuator. They were in all the coach buses. They were basically like a manual transmission. It was a manual transmission and an automatic transmission in one, but it had like solenoids and these actuators that would act as you pushing the clutch pedal in. And I remember they had a lot of gears. I feel like it was 13 or something, but I can remember driving it in a coach bus, and when you first start off, it kind of feels like it's gonna roll backwards. And then it's like, the shifting was real hard. I remember thinking like, who in the hell would want this? I would get the Allison. I would get the 4000 Allison, the HD. Used to be the HD 45. No, B500. In those buses, they were called a B500. Brand new day, baby. Brand new day. It's 11 o'clock at night. I want to get the laptop because I think I'm negative in profit for the day. I hate that. I don't even care about the aggregated like month. I just like every single day. I'm like, as long as I try to get the business in profit, I feel good. It's been a long day. I'm about to go in this hotel. Today's the same day that I was at Universal. All right, guys, the next day. Going downstairs to get breakfast. It's 6 a.m. I'm headed to the rowing races. My son's racing against Canada, I think New Zealand and Mexico. Free breakfast. Let's see what they got. Got the laptop, had to run up to the room. Now I'm heading out to the car. Let's see what the weather's like here. Oh man, it feels nice out. Probably like 70 degrees. Yesterday I was going to work on the laptop at night and try to get the profit out of negative. I couldn't. It was negative 700 when the day ended, but I tried. So I've got the laptop, so in between races I'm probably going to hit up a Starbucks, try to get things dialed back in. Alright guys, car's parked, heading over to the races. I see a New Zealand team. I don't know what this road is or where it goes, but we'll check it out. I need coffee and a receptacle for the laptop. Man, these are nice back here though. Look at this, all private. Just looked up SCHD to see how it's doing today. I'm like, let me check it out. It says negative 1.35%. I'm like, what the heck? So then I looked up NVIDIA, because I always like to look up the same, and NVIDIA's up 4.48%. I see Microsoft created a healthcare related AI it said it's 4 times smarter than any doctor. That's the one thing I like about SCHD. When it is tanking, I'm like, oh, today's a good day to buy. I gotta figure out a way to get some more money to buy. So apparently it's not that hazy here normally, and the reason it looks so hazy right now is actually from wildfires in Canada. All right, guys, I'm coming into Ann Arbor, Michigan. I can tell because I'm starting to see Michigan flags everywhere. They're all rentals, all college campus rentals. Pretty much every single one of them's got a little plaque on the front with a phone number as a rental. A lot of guys, they chase that college campus rentals because they can rent them by the room instead of like renting out the whole house. They might rent each room for a certain dollar amount per month. Cabriolet 968. I wonder what they got inside. Oh, we got a 964 parked out here. Oh, we got a 993. A white 993. 964. Alright guys, I'm going in the dealership. They're not going to like me in there snooping around. Oh, Spider RS. I'm not mad at it. Yeah, that's awesome. Man, these Spider RSs are cool looking. Aggressive. Alright guys, I'm getting out of here. I like that 991 with no emblems. 718 Cayman. That's the University of Michigan lacrosse stadium across the thing. Oh no, it's a track and field. Texas Roadhouse, that's another good stock. I finally found a Starbucks. Just sat down 222. Guys, just worked at Starbucks. I just updated all my Klaviyo email A/B tests. So what I'll do is I'll go in and I'll find the ones that are winners. I'll publish them and then I'll make a variation of that. So I keep tweaking it, keep tweaking it. Actually, I have no clue where I am, what town I'm in. I have no idea because I just typed Starbucks in my phone when I was in Ann Arbor and I drove for maybe 15 minutes to the Starbucks. So I don't know where I'm at. I'm gonna look it up real quick. Shout out to Mikey is 009. He just left a comment. It said, selling to buy. It said, new money is the answer. Selling to buy is a losing game. Keep stacking. Should be the rule. New money is the answer. He is right. Every time I've ever sold stocks or crypto or anything to buy more or buy something else, I always regret it. I'm always like, damn, why did I buy it? And every time I sell to buy the other thing, the thing I sold goes up and the thing I bought goes down. It's like they know. Somehow I'm in Michigan in a traffic jam. I don't even know how I got here, but I feel like I'm a local. Like I'm coming home from work and I'm mad. Get out of the way, let's go. No, I got nowhere to be till 6, so I'm good. Back at the races. What's up? Brand new day, guys. How is everybody? Appreciate everybody watching the channel. So, I'm still stacking my SCHD. Sometimes I got to keep myself motivated because I don't know if I'm doing the right thing, to be honest. It's easy to feel that way. I know dividend investing is boring. It's going to underperform growth. And I know a lot of people say, go growth, then switch to dividends. I just psychologically love the dividend investing, and I like stacking it and seeing the income go up. I love when SCHD drops in price. Usually most people don't like when their stock drops, but I like it because now we're getting that dividend yield back around 3.9. I think it's at 3.97%. So if it keeps dropping, we could get back down above 4. I love when it's above 4. You know, in SCHD's history, it's only been above 4, I think, like 2 times. This recent time, and then one other time in the past, around COVID, I think. But I think in 2022, it was like 4.4%. 222. All right, I'm heading into this little quickie stop. What is up, guys? I'm in the elevator. I'm heading down to the lobby. I'm gonna get some coffee, and then I'm getting out of here.
Alright.